Have you ever heard of the law of assumption? It's a powerful principle that can truly transform your life if you know how to wield it correctly. Now, you may have tried using it before and not seen the results you hoped for, but fear not. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps to master the law of assumption so you can manifest your deepest desires and live the life you've always dreamed of. In the beginning, I want to share a little about my own journey with it. Just like many of you, I struggled initially to see any real changes in my life despite putting in a lot of effort into applying principles of the law of assumption. It was beyond frustrating, to be honest. I felt like I was hitting a brick wall and nothing I did seemed to make a difference. But instead of throwing in the towel, I decided to double down on my efforts. I poured my heart and soul into understanding how this law really works. I devoured every book, attended every seminar, and soaked up every piece of information I could find on the subject. And slowly but surely, things started to shift. It wasn't an overnight transformation by any means. It took dedication, perseverance, and a whole lot of trial and error. But little by little, I began to notice subtle changes happening in my life. Opportunities that I never would have imagined started to present themselves. Relationships improved, and I felt more fulfilled than ever before. It was like the universe had finally opened its doors to me, and I was welcomed with open arms. And let me tell you, it was nothing short of magical. That's why I'm so passionate about sharing what I've learned with you today, because if I can experience this kind of transformation, I know you can too. So what exactly is the law of assumption? Well, it's a principle that suggests that your imagination shapes your reality. Think of it as visualizing your dreams into existence. Unlike the law of attraction, which focuses on attracting things into your life, the law of assumption encourages you to assume that your desires are already a reality. It's all about embodying the feeling of already having what you want, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. Instead of waiting for your desires to materialize, you act as if they're already yours. You visualize yourself living your dream life, feeling the excitement and joy as if it's happening right now. But let's be real, it's not always easy to maintain that belief, especially when faced with challenges and setbacks. That's where unwavering faith and conviction come into play. It's about trusting in the process, even when things don't seem to be going your way. So the next time you catch yourself daydreaming, don't just dismiss it as wishful thinking. Instead, embrace it as a powerful tool for manifestation. Close your eyes, visualize your desires, and feel the excitement and joy as if they're already yours. Because when you assume the reality of your dreams, you set in motion a chain of events that will lead you straight to them. One of the biggest challenges many people face is getting stuck in what I like to call the reality loop. You know, where you keep focusing on your current circumstances and can't seem to break free from them. The law of assumption offers a way out of this loop by shifting your focus from what is to what could be. It's about daring to dream big and believing that those dreams are within your reach. Before we get into how to make the law of assumption work for you, make sure to check that link in the description for my #1 recommendation course to reprogram your brain to growth mindset. So make sure to check it out. Now that we have went over the main concepts of this method, let's see how to actually put it into practice. Step 1. Assume your desires. Assuming your desires is more than just wishful thinking. It's about embodying the feeling of already having what you want. Close your eyes and imagine yourself in possession of your dreams. Whether it's financial abundance, a loving relationship, or a fulfilling career, visualize yourself experiencing it all in vivid detail. Feel the joy, excitement, and fulfillment that come with having your desires fulfilled. This process of visualization sends powerful signals to the universe and aligns your energy with the reality you want to create. Step 2. Stay optimistic. Maintaining a positive mindset is essential for successful manifestation. Even when faced with challenges or setbacks, choose to focus on the best case scenario and cultivate gratitude for the blessings in your life. Practice mindfulness and stay present in the moment, acknowledging the abundance that surrounds you. By shifting your perspective and embracing optimism, you create a fertile ground for your desires to manifest. Step 3. Be specific. Clarity is key when it comes to manifesting your desires. Take the time to get crystal clear on exactly what you want to manifest. Visualize your ideal life in intricate detail, where you live, who you're with, what you do for work, and let yourself feel the excitement and anticipation of it all. The universe responds to specificity, so don't be afraid to be detailed and specific in your visualizations. The more you can see and feel your desires as already manifested, the more effortlessly they will come into your reality. Step 4. Use visualization tools. Enhance your manifestation practice by incorporating incorporating visualization tools like vision boards, guided meditations, or manifestation journals. These tools serve as powerful reminders of your desires and help reinforce them in your subconscious mind. Create a vision board filled with images and words that represent your dreams, or keep a manifestation journal where you write down your goals and visualize them coming true. Engaging with these tools regularly amplifies the potency of your manifestation practice and keeps your desires at the forefront of your mind. Step 5. Affirmations. Affirmations are a powerful way to reprogram your subconscious mind and align your energy with your desires. Write down positive affirmations that affirm your belief in your ability to manifest your dreams. Whether it's "I am worthy of abundance" or "I attract love and positivity into my life," affirmations can raise your vibrational frequency and magnetize your desired outcomes to you. Repeat these affirmations daily, either aloud or silently, and let them sink into your subconscious mind. As you cultivate a belief in your ability to manifest, you become a magnet for the experiences and opportunities that align with your desires. Remember, manifestation is a journey, not a destination. Stay patient, stay committed, and trust in the process. Don't forget to check the link in the description to reach extraordinary heights of growth without settling for less. Now, let's talk about some common pitfalls to avoid when working with the law of assumption. Lack of specificity. Have you ever caught yourself wishing for something but failing to clearly define what it is? This lack of specificity can be a major stumbling block in your manifestation journey. Think about it. The universe is like a cosmic genie ready to grant your every wish, but if you don't clearly articulate what you want, how can it deliver? Take the time to get specific about your desires. Whether it's a dream job, a loving relationship, or financial abundance, paint a vivid picture in your mind. Get down to the nitty-gritty details and don't be afraid to dream big. The more clarity you have, the easier it is for the universe to bring your desires to fruition. Negative thinking. We've all been there. Those moments of doubt and fear creeping in, whispering that our dreams are too big or too far-fetched. But here's the thing. Negative thinking is like putting up a big closed for business sign to the universe. It creates resistance and blocks the flow of abundance into your life. Instead of dwelling on what could go wrong, focus on what could go right. Replace those negative thoughts with positive affirmations and reminders of your worthiness. Remember, you are a powerful creator and your thoughts have the power to shape your reality. So choose wisely and keep those vibes high. Lack of action. Visualization and positive thinking are powerful tools, but they're only part of the equation. Manifestation also requires inspired action, those intentional steps you take to bring your desires to life. It's like planting a garden. You can visualize a beautiful harvest all you want, but unless you actually plant the seeds and tend to them, you won't see results. So ask yourself, what action can I take today to move closer to my goals? Whether it's sending out resumes, networking, or investing in yourself, take that first step and trust that the universe will meet you halfway. Ignoring intuition. Your intuition is like your personal GPS, guiding you towards your highest path and purpose. But all too often, we ignore those subtle nudges and whispers in favor of logic or reason. The truth is, your intuition knows what's best for you. It's just a matter of tuning in and listening. Pay attention to those gut feelings, signs, and synchronicities that may be guiding you towards your desires. Trust that inner knowing and let it lead the way. Comparing yourself to others. In the age of social media, it's all too easy to fall into the comparison trap. We see someone else living our dream life and immediately feel inadequate or envious. But here's the reality. Comparison is a losing game. Your journey is uniquely yours, and what works for someone else may not work for you. Instead of focusing on what others have, celebrate your own journey and accomplishments. Trust that the universe has a plan for you, and know that there is more than enough abundance to go around. By releasing the need to compare and compete, you create space for your own miracles to happen. Please share your results with the law of assumption in our comments. If you want to get more improvement-minded videos, subscribe and turn on notifications on this channel. Check out this helpful self-improvement video, and I'll see you in the next video.